Hi friends, welcome to Nandu's kitchen. In today's video, let's see how to make a very tasty dish with whole wheat flour or atta and fenugreek leaves or methi. Today I'm making thepla. Thepla is a very popular dish of Gujarat and each person has a different way of making theplas. So let's see how to make this super healthy and tasty thepla at home. To make methi ka tepla, I have taken half a bunch of methi here. I am not using stem. Remove the stem and use the leaves alone. Wash the methi leaves well in fresh water for 3 to 4 times. Drain the water and finely chop them. It's a very important step. You have to finely chop the methi leaves. You can see that I have finely chopped them here. Now keep this aside. Meanwhile, let's get the other ingredients ready. To this, I am adding 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, finely chopped. This gives a nice flavor to our theplas. Here, I have taken 1-inch piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. You can increase or decrease the amount of green chilies as per your preference. You may also use garlic if you wish to, but I am not using any here. You can use around 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Slightly crush these 2 ingredients using a mortar and a pestle or grind using a mixer jar. So the crushed ginger green chili paste is ready. Keep this aside. Next, let's see how to make the dough. To a bowl, I am adding 1 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour or atta and 2 tablespoons of besan. Do not add too much of besan. This could reduce the softness of theplas. Add salt. Here I am using around 1 teaspoon of salt or add according to your preference. Next, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and mix everything well. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Mix it well. Rub the oil well into the flour. You may replace the oil with ghee if you prefer. Now it's mixed well. Add the prepared ginger and green chili paste. Next, add ajwain or carom seeds. Ajwain is good for digestion. I have added around half a teaspoon of ajwain. Rub ajwain well between your palms before adding. This releases a nice aroma. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. To this, add freshly chopped fenugreek leaves or methi along with the coriander leaves. I have used around 1 1/2 cups of methi and 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Mix well. Combine without adding any water. Once everything is mixed well, we'll add curd or dahi. I'm adding 1/4 cup of curd. Curd is a very important ingredient while making methi ke teple and curd makes our teplas soft. If you want to store it for 2 to 3 days while you're traveling, knead this mixture only with curd. Do not use water. This will increase the shelf life of theplas. Now I have mixed the curd. Knead the dough using water. I'm using lukewarm water here. Have taken around 1/4 cup of water, but I'm not using entire water here. I have used only 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Our dough is ready now. It's soft. Apply a little bit of oil. I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of oil here. Spread the oil. Next, cover it with a damp cloth. Cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. It's already 20 minutes now. So after 20 minutes, remove this cloth. Knead the dough once more. After that, take small portions of the dough and roll it into small balls around the size of a lemon. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the dough. Now take one ball and slightly flatten it between your palms. After that, dust it with wheat flour or atta and start rolling the dough. One thing to be taken care of here is that the ball should be small and roll it as thin as possible. The more thin the theplas are, the more tasty they become and they stay soft for a long time. So as you can see, I have rolled the theplas here. It's very thin. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the balls. Roll all the balls very thin before you start making the theplas. So here you can see all the balls are rolled and everything is ready now. I have heated a tawa here. Tawa is very hot. Place the thepla and fry it. You don't have to make it very crispy like parathas. Do not press it too much. Lightly press it, flip and cook it fast. Once you flip, apply oil. It gets ready very fast. Apply oil on both the sides. I'm frying on a high flame here. Don't keep on pressing for a long time. It will turn hard. Similarly, repeat the same steps for the rest of the theplas. You can see small golden brown spots appearing on the surface of the teplas. Our tepla is ready now. So all our teplas are ready now. I have made around 14 teplas here. So as you can see, our teplas are ready now. It's very soft, healthy, tasty. So do give it a try and let me know your feedback. Hope you liked the recipe, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more yummy recipes. Thank you. Bye.